3. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
Fine.
Are you getting ready for the weekend? Who is ready for the weekend? Abraham. Oh, Father Abraham. So today we are going to talk about tenses. So before we kick off with our topic, I want someone, a volunteer, to read for us the class objectives. Yes?
Today's objectives. Students will be able to understand different types of tenses. Students will be able to make simple to complex sentences using tenses. Students will be able to recognize and correct common errors related to tenses.
Thank you. So, what do you think about today's objectives? Different gender? Yes, Therese?
Thank you. I think that from now on I'll be able to use collective tenses according to their time. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. So we're going to kick off with our rationale of today. A volunteer to lead us a rationale. Yes, Delphine?
Rationale. Tenses are crucial aspects of English grammar that allow speakers and writers to convey the timing of action and events. Measuring tenses is essential for effective communication as they help to clarify when action took place, is taking place, or will take place. Additionally, tenses also help to express the relation and completeness of actions as well as the relationship between events happening at different times.
Thank you very much. So as we see, tenses are a very aspect or very important parts of the speech. We cannot speak without tenses, as we see in our rationale. As we're going to see, we will see that without tenses, you will not be able to form a sentence. So we're going to see, we are going to have a small prompt here. So I want you to all this stand up. I'm going to turn and then you are going to turn and talk about this prompt. Describe the morning using present, past, and future tenses in 1 to 3 sentences. So I'm going to give you 1 minute, and then in that 1 minute, you're going to turn and talk, and after we'll share out. So your 1 minute starts now. Yes, 1 minute is over. So we're going to share out about our norms. So who is willing to share out? Who is willing to share out? Yes, Marlene?
Let me try.
Yes.
Using one sentence, I can say, I woke up, that's past.
Yes.
And I'm studying communication, that is present.
Yes.
And I'm planning to work on a project, that's future.
Snaps for Marlene. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to share out? Yes, Therese?
In a sentence, I would say that I wake up 6 a.m. every day Yesterday I had my tea at 6:21, and today I'll be having my class at 8:59.
Wow, snaps for that. Genevieve, can you try?
In the past, I can say I ate, and in the present, I can say I'm studying. In the future, I can say I will work on my project.
Thank you very much. You can sit down. So let me give you my example as well. I can say that I'm feeling good today, but I woke up feeling a little bit sick, but I hope the day will be fine. So that will be my thought as well. So let's move on to what is a tense. I'll need a volunteer to tell us what is a tense. In your own words, without reading what's here. In your own words, what is a tense? Yes, Abraham?
Okay, thank you. In my own understanding, a tense is a form of verb that allows you to express a time or event. It's a form.
It's a sentence that allows
It's a form. It's a form of the verb
That's a very
that allows you to express a time.
That's a very crucial thing. A form of a verb that allows you. So tenses are forms of verbs, as Abraham said. And anyone else who can try to share out what they think is a tense? Given, can you try?
Mine is also not far from what Abraham said.
Yes.
So tense is actually a form of a verb, means conjugated, either present or future or past, indicating an event that took place at that time.
Can you project?
Having a problem, so that's why I'm not
Try to
able
increase
speak.
the voice, yes.
I was saying a tense is a form of a verb, either a verb which is conjugated into present or past or future that shows an event or action that occurred at that time. If it's present, something like that.
Thank you. So anyone who has any questions so far? Like any questions so far? No questions? Okay, let's pick off to present tense. So, present simple tense is used for actions that are generally true, habitual, or scheduled. Its form is you have to take first a subject, and then you take a base verb,
You see the sign
and then you combine the two. You see the sign plus here, which means the subject is combined with the base verb. There's an example here, I eat. I is a subject, and then eat is a base verb. The same here, she works. She is a subject, and then works is a base verb. So here are some examples. I eat breakfast every morning. This is present simple tense because this action is generally habitual and scheduled. If you eat breakfast every morning, then that's habitual. It happens every morning. And then she works at the hospital. She works at the hospital, which means that is generally true, habitual, or scheduled. Yes.
Question.
Yes.
But if the activity is scheduled in the future, is it present or
If it's scheduled in the future, is it still present simple tense? What do you think? What do you think, guys? If an action or a thing is scheduled in the future, is it still in present simple tense? Yes, Elias?
I think but how she's saying is, yes, scheduled, but in the future won't be present simple tense, maybe something is future.
Yes. We'll talk about that. You're talking about future tense. So this is present simple tense. It means if something is scheduled in the future, it's not in present simple tense. In order to be in present simple tense, it should be generally true, which means it's not happening either in the past or in the future. It's just generally true only. For instance, the sun rises in the morning. It's generally true. It's not in the future, it's not in the past. And it should be habitual. Maybe it happens every day and scheduled. So it's not either in the future or in the past, but in the present. So thank you for asking that question.